These half kneeling around the world are really going to work on your hip stability as well as your hip strength as we are dragging our foot on the floor around us. So you're going to start in a nice half kneeling position where one knee is down on the ground, one knee is bent up. Hand position is going to be wherever you feel most comfortable. Some people are going to feel more comfortable with hands kind of tight in towards their sides. Others are going to feel more comfortable and confident with hands spread wide. In this position, you're going to shift all your weight onto this back knee here. You are going to extend this other knee out towards the sides, sweep around until it's behind you as you hinge your hips back and torso forward. Drag it back up to the start, and then complete 4 reps. Try your best to stay as balanced as you can on the stance knee. It is going to be a little bit difficult, so it's okay if you are a little bit shaky to start. Once you complete your reps on this side, go ahead and switch to the other side by shifting your weight onto this stance leg, keeping arms nice and tight, continuing to breathe throughout, hinging hips back, dragging foot back up to the starting position, repeating for the prescribed number of reps.